Om Shanti. Dear friends, well wishes, you are welcome to join Divine Word channel. Join me daily on my channel, Join Divine Word channel, live discussion program on various topics such as spiritualism, free live stream astrological discussion program, national and international issue, poetry, etc. While astrological tutorials live discussion program, you can learn astrology. You can ask me about your own problems solution. Just call me +91 89882 25050 or write me on live chat your date of birth, time of birth, place of birth, your questions and your mobile number so that I can add you or answer you during session or later. Add my Geo number +91 82196 27697. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Have a good day.